Where can I buy authentic traditional Irish instruments? Imagine holding a piece of Ireland's musical soul in your hands. If you're traveling through Ireland and want to find genuine traditional Irish instruments, there are some fantastic spots to check out. In Dublin, you'll find stores like Muzikkon and Gandharva Loka Music Store. Muzikkon offers a wide selection of Irish bodhráns, which are traditional frame drums, along with flutes, harps, and stringed instruments. Their shop allows you to try out instruments before buying, and staff are happy to give advice. Gandharva Loka is famous for its large collection of Irish whistles, bodhráns, and harps, supporting local Irish makers and celebrating Irish musical heritage. If you visit rural areas like Gandharva in County Sligo, the Coleman Irish Music Centre is a wonderful place to shop. They sell fiddles, accordions, tin whistles, flutes, and bodhráns. The centre also hosts traditional music events and offers educational materials, making it a perfect spot to immerse yourself in Irish culture while shopping. For those interested in accordions and concertinas, McNeela Music has been trusted since 1979. They craft Irish concertinas based on historical designs, suitable for beginners and experienced players alike. Their instruments are known for quality and authenticity. Many of these shops have online platforms, so you can browse their selections and order from anywhere in Ireland or abroad. Muzikkon and Clark's Music Company are good options for online shopping. They ship traditional Irish instruments like acoustic guitars, woodwind instruments, and violins across Ireland and internationally. When buying Irish instruments, look for key items like the bodhran, a traditional drum used in folk music, or a tin whistle, which is a small, simple wind instrument. Irish flutes are usually made of wood and have 6 open holes, and the Irish harp is a national symbol with a rich history. Concertinas and accordions are popular free reed instruments, and the fiddle is played in a lively Irish style. Buying from local Irish makers or specialized shops guarantees you authentic, well-crafted instruments. Many shops also offer advice tailored to your skill level and musical interests. When traveling in Ireland, you can combine exploring Irish culture with the chance to buy a genuine instrument. Visiting these dedicated shops and centers often includes opportunities to see live music sessions or join workshops, deepening your connection to Irish arts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, Ireland's traditional instrument shops are the perfect place to find a piece of Irish musical history.